Hi guys, this is Kazim here. Thanks for tuning to this training video. Today I'll be starting a new series regarding Adobe Illustrator, the software. So this is a very helpful and useful software when it comes to designing vector icons and shapes. And learning the software is an essential when you want to pursue graphic designing as your career and make cool stuff with it and even earn money while doing so. You can do freelance projects on 99designs.com and websites like those which you can earn freelance income from, but for that you need to first learn the basics. So I am launching this new series from today. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post videos like these. And if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe and share with your friends and families. So this is the interface of Illustrator. I'll be just going through to help you understand where the tools are. So on the top you can see is the menu, the file, edit, object. This is the top menu we have, which changes according to whichever object we select in Illustrator. And on the left side you can see is the toolbar we have here. So you can even detach the toolbar by just clicking and dragging it outside like this. And again, if you just click and drag it to the left side of the screen, you will see it will show a blue highlighted bar. Just release your mouse there and it will snap to the left corner like so. And also there's a double arrows, there's two double arrows on the bottom, on the top left. Just click on this and it will become in single column, the toolbar, and if you again click on this, it will become in two columns. So it depends on what you like. It's all up to you. So today we'll be learning on of this selection tool, which is the first tool in the toolbar here. So to start using this tool, we need to create a new document. I'll just go up to the file menu, click on file, and I'll click on new. And for this training purpose, I'll just use an A4 sheet which has an orientation of a landscape. This is the vertical, this icon, and the icon next to it is the landscape version. Just click on this and click create, and you will have a blank canvas open up in Illustrator. So to use the selection tool, you will need to create an object on the screen first. So I'll click on the rectangle tool here. The shortcut key is M on the keyboard, and if you just click and drag with the mouse, it will create a shape, and just release it. It will make your shape like that. And if you want a perfect square, then you will need to hold down shift and click and drag, which will make a perfect square with all equal sides. There is another way to draw an object in Illustrator. Suppose you have clicked your rectangle tool, and instead of clicking and dragging on the canvas, just single click anywhere, and it will pop up a box that will tell you to type the exact dimensions of the object you want. Suppose I'll just put here 2 inches by 2 inches and hit OK. So it will create a perfect square like this. And to move the object, you can just click on the selection tool again and just click and drag anywhere on the object to move it on the screen, on the canvas. And if you want to move the object in a straight line, you just need to hold down shift and click and drag, and it will move the object in straight line if you are moving it horizontally or vertically up and down like so. And also I'll show you how to duplicate an object. I'll just select these two objects and I'll hit delete on the keyboard to delete these two. I'll click on this object and bring it to the center of the screen like so. To duplicate the object, you just need to click and select the object first. So to duplicate the object, you just need to click on Alt while holding down Alt option on the keyboard and just clicking and dragging, and it will make a duplicate of the object. Another way, if you want to duplicate the object on a straight line, while holding down Alt, just hold down Shift as well and click and drag, so it will duplicate the object in a straight manner like this. Even for the vertical way you can do the same thing. I'll hold down Alt on the keyboard, and while holding down Shift I'll click and drag it at the bottom like so, so it will make the duplicate in a straight line. So this is an easy way to duplicate the objects in Illustrator. So now I'll show you what is purpose is there for this selection tool. So once you have the object selected, you'll see these four cubes that can be used as the resize handles of the object while clicking and dragging to resize the object. And if you hold down Shift and click on any of the corners and resize, it will resize it proportionally. And also notice that there's a difference between enlarging the object and also zooming in and out of an artboard. To zoom inside the artboard, you can click on the zoom tool. Z is the shortcut key. If you click and drag over the object, it will make it bigger. So right now it has not made the object bigger, but it has only zoomed in the object, which is the canvas actually. So to zoom out, you have to just hold down Alt on the keyboard. You can see the symbol on the magnifying glass has been changed to minus. Just click on the canvas, it will zoom out of it like this. And another way to zoom in is while holding down Command and Alt. You can just scroll with your mouse wheel. If you scroll up, it will zoom out, and if you scroll down, it will zoom inside the artboard. So this is one simple and easy way to zoom in and out of the artboard. And on the right side, you can see the panels. These are not this is not toolbar, but this is just the panels. Extra options you will get if you click on this expand panels. You will see additional options which we'll go through in our later Illustrator classes. So for right now, I'll just close this. I'll just collapse those icons. Now I'll show you how to rotate the object while selecting it. First, use the selection tool and click and drag on the object and select it first, and then on the edge of the square you will see outside the border, if you take your mouse, you will have a rounded corner arrow. If you just click on it and drag it, it will rotate the object like so. And suppose now if I hold down Shift while dragging and rotating it, it will snap to 45 degrees like so. And if I again continue to go, it will now snap again at the bottom like so. So that's how you rotate an object in Illustrator. So now one more thing you can do is for duplicating, like I showed you, like we can just hold down Alt on the keyboard and click and drag, and it will make a duplicate of the object. Another way you can copy is a standard way, Command C and Command V. On the keyboard you can click and it will make a copy of the object as well. Now one more interesting thing I'll show you with this selection tool that you can do. I'll just first click and drag and delete this object. Suppose you have moved this object here, and now if you just click on Command D on the keyboard, it will repeat that action in that same manner and angle you just did. So this can be used in another effective way as well. I'll show you. I'll just while holding on Shift, I'll resize this object. And now suppose if I click on Alt and while holding down Shift, I'll just make a duplicate of this object like so. And if I then click on Command D, it will duplicate the object in that same manner and make a nice pattern. Same way you can do it in a vertical manner. I'll just show you. I'll just zoom out of the artboard by clicking on the zoom tool, and while holding down Alt, then click your selection tool. I'll just click and drag all these objects, and while holding down Alt and shift on the keyboard, I'll make a duplicate of this. And then now if I click on Command D, it will duplicate all the square boxes like so and create a nice pattern on the page. So these are some useful shortcuts which you can use while working with the selection tool. Now I'll show you how to make selection on the only rows which you want. Suppose I'll just click on, I just want this row and the last row and not the middle one. So to do that, you just need to first select this row, then while holding on shift, click and drag on that the bottom third row, and now you can see only these two are selected and not the between one. And now to fill any of the colors in the boxes, all you can do is just, while you have selected your objects, just click on this fill, just double click on this fill square, and a color picker will pop up. From here, this slider, you can use any of the colors you want and just hit OK. You can see now only these objects which we had selected only has the fill color applied on it. So again, you can do it for the top one as well. You can just click on this row, just select this, and you can again, instead of going again back and doing that fill color, you can just pick the color of these boxes by clicking on this eyedropper tool and then just click on this. So it will now fill all the boxes with the same color. So this is one easy shortcut you can do while filling up the colors inside an object in Illustrator. This class I'll just teach till this basic, so we'll continue in the next class. I hope you guys have enjoyed this training video, guys. So now this will give you a basic understanding on how to use the selection tool in Illustrator. If you do have any questions, you can leave your questions in the comment sections below, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. Also, you can visit my website kazemdesigns.com to see my work and more other training videos like this. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and click on subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video like this online. I hope you guys have learned something from this training video, and I'll see you in the next videos, guys. Thanks for watching.